thina that day into enzekile sithema siqeda ukuvume rubi sabloma sasibhemela ipipe kwaba mnandi kwahleka omunye nomunye wakhapha icherry yakhe angithi like abangani labantu laba ngithola ucherry yami nomngani wakhe bekwabangani ngithola so out yami kwaba kuthini uSlizi wakhapha uMandisa ngakhapha uCase so mangimkhapha kube into ekuthini siyavasi ikasi lakhe masifike ikasi lakhe kube into ekuthini ngiyamshiya grand ayisha the following 2 days to 3 days umntana sekangitshela ukuthini asithathe ibreak hayibo ibreak yani sengiyazibuza ibreak yani you understand I think le ntwana le yambreak leyasehleni ukuthi ngikhohle igama la you understand ibuyelane nayo thema babuyelana kwaba into yokuthini umntana sekangitshela ngama break okay sharp ama break one sengiyazi question kwanami you understand ngathi sharp lwaka ngathi buyelana nokuhlwa ngashaya upload wahlanya umntwana thema cicede ukushaya upload ne waba into yokuthini the following day weza kithi you understand abe like ya wena kudala umthanda ukuhlwana nala khona kunama sister rami ejardini bengwasha you understand wena kuba seka ireport before mangiloyo ngwasha kube into yokuthini awu sengihlele nawo gele that day sekumna kunama sister rami ke that day ejardini azange sangena nase roomini besiloke ehlele kuphi ngaphandle ngwasha mangicede ukwasha ngamkhapha you understand I think bekazoletha amajezi ami ngiyakhumbula ngithe letha amajezi ami ngiyawasha ayishapho umntana masiluke esivaya umntana uyakhala uba like ya wena vele bongangithandi kudala uthanda ukuhlwana ungenza islima nani enhle for long zokuzela nabo bhuti bami you understand sekangithreatenisha zongizela nabo bhuti bakho ngibe into yokuthini hayi lo akangazi sharp sivaya makube into yokuvaya makafika kuba ngangitext ngingamtext sharp kube sekulanda abo December December ngabo my 1 after December after my 31 ngabo my 2 sharp bayafika namaphoyisa